Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good. Today I have for you a random recipe. I was just cooking this. It's one of the dishes I make like every day. It's my favorite steamed cabbage and mackerel dish. So easy that I didn't even bother showing you prepping the ingredients. I decided to film it like while I was cooking. So it's just some bell peppers with red onion and scotch bonnet that I'm sauteing with a pinch of salt over there. And it's just in a little bit of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, you can use whatever you want. And we're just softening this up really like quickly. And then, once it's nice and steamed, you can add, carrots or anything if you want to. You can add celery. I'm just using my bell peppers because I love the flavor of them. And then once you do that, basically, for the cabbage, you don't want to stir fry the cabbage. So with the cabbage, you literally want to, I take out the peppers first, and then in the same pan, I add in the cabbage and water. And I learn't this from a Rasta man. So it's like his steamed veg recipe, and it's so delicious. So if you saute the cabbage in oil, it'll become hard and take longer to cook. So what you want to do is put the cabbage in the pan and add some water with no salt either. Don't salt season it just yet. You put the cabbage in the pan with some water, and you literally just cover it and let it steam. So the reason for this, we do it in separate stages, is also it helps the peppers and onions to keep their nice color and shape as well. And, the cabbage can soften in its own time. So I let that steam. And while that's steaming, this is the mackerel I'm using. I'm using smoked mackerel because I love the flavor, the smell, the taste. You can use tuna if you want, or tinned mackerel. It's really up to you. It's a cheap dish, nothing special. So once it's steamed, I'm going to add in some turmeric because it's really good for you. I just try to add it where I can. It's optional. You can add whatever spices you like, honestly. This isn't really a recipe, it's just I wanted to show you guys something that I actually eat almost every day. And then I stir that in, and then I add back in the peppers and onion and scotch bonnet. It's really up to you, to your taste. I like it kind of spicy, so I did add a whole scotch bonnet in there, just nice and chopped. In the back there I do have some steamed rice going, so ignore the old pan. Old pots mean flavors, so don't judge me, okay? It's not all shiny and stuff. But anyway, look at those colors. I love it. And I just give it a stir, which is amazing. The cabbage is nice and tender by now. And then I strip the mackerel in. I did take off the skin because I don't really like it, but you just put the mackerel in there. If you're using canned tuna, it's absolutely fine. You can also use canned mackerel. I haven't used sardines, but you probably could use that, honestly. And then I just mix it in. I really love the smoky flavor and the smell it gives, so give that a stir. Honestly, this takes like 15 minutes to cook, or even less than that. It's just so yummy. I have it with rice, sometimes bulgur. And because mackerel's pretty salty on its own, the smoked one, I don't season it till after I've added it into the cabbage. And then I feel like it needed a stock cube, and I'm using Knorr. You can use Maggi, or you could just add salt. It's up to you. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, it's so delicious. I'm so obsessed with cabbage. I love kimchi. I love anything that I can put cabbage in. And I just felt like I wanted to share this one with you guys. I'm trying to just upload more things that I actually eat on a daily. I know you guys make requests, but it'll be nice to just show you guys what I eat, and maybe you can try something new. So there you have it, guys. Serve it with some rice or whatever. Eat it on its own. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, or if you try this out, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.